Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I will gonna present my LAP2, which is about microB, which is about design, write and test program using timer and interrupt for 8051 microcontroller. First of all, we will gonna design the circuit that we should use in our lab. So as I mentioned now, we use the microcontroller, which is 80C51, which is more suitable in to our lab. So we have to add in so we will gonna use the 80C51 microcontroller. Then because we want to find the wave of the output based on our coding, so we will add on the oscillator as well. We have to do so we have to add the oscillator from virtual instrument, then oscilloscope. We add it here, then just rotate and rotate again, then connect the A port to the port number 6. So that's it for the setting the microcontroller and the circuit. So now we're gonna add on the source. Okay, so we will start writing the so we're gonna start with the task A, which is part 1. So when th0 is equal to 0 ffh and tl0 is equal to 0 f2h. So first I use timer 0 and mode 1. Then now I have to write the coding. So we will start with the move t move 0 1, then here, then again move tl0 0 f2h, move th0 0 ffh to send to the microcontroller cpl to port p 1.5 delay, then sjm b here, delay, set btr0, then again to redo that things again and again to continue the sign jmb tr0, then moving to the next one, which is jmb TF0, TF0 again, or TR0, TR0, CL or TF0 or ET. Then after this end, to end the program. So to recognize our programming, and here is the delay. So now we have to check our program is correct or not. So we have to do the build project, then build and rebuild project to check again whether everything. So now it's everything is correct. So now we will gonna check how the oscilloscope gonna work. So now we will gonna run the program. So this is the graph that we got from the first task, which is task A. So we will count the wave for how many seconds. So as we see here, it's around 27 point something. So it's approximately around 28 microsecond. So this is for the part for the task A, part one. So now let's move to the part two. So this is the task two, task A, part 2, which is when TH0 is equal to 0 of FH and TL0 is equal to 00H. After writing the program, so this is the program that we got to programming this part. So here we use the timer 0 and mode 1. So now we will move to do and see the graph from the oscillator. So to adjust this one and to be more accurate, so we can adjust here. We can write, let's say, 82.5. I think it should be okay. Of course, it's micro. Then let's start. Do it now. Then this is the graph how it will be look like. So now we can count the graph. So this is the graph how it will be look like after adjusting the position here of the graph to be more accurate and to find that one is more accurate. So now we will count how much time will take. So we can say from 900 to this one is around 600. So it will be approximately around 270 or 280. It will be around this value. So this is the end of task A. Now we will move to start to task B. So now I will start with the task B, which is used mode 1 and timer 0. So we'll start by writing the coding. So let's start. Function C. Move TL, move TL, move TL 1, TH 1, 0, B 7H, and set B dot 7, set B dot 3, YR 1. Here CPL E1.5 or TR1. So I think this is the end because the 15 minutes is already done. Actually, I have completed all the tasks, but it's no time to complete here and record it. So I will upload everything in the report, inshallah. Thank you, sir, and salamu alaikum.